good. Perfectly level.
Oh, it's upside down. Look at the Husky.
Dollies out of here. Alright, right here. Good.
Bird down.
Okay. Ain't going nowhere, home.
No? It's a beautiful thing.
Bro science. Oh boy.
Oh my God.
What?
Perfect. Level. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Tie that in.
Yeah, we got it.
Yeah. Is it book down?
Yeah.
It's so stupid.
So dumb.
It doesn't make sense. Okay, I got it.
Good.
Alright, go to the back.
Good. Back.
Good.
Good. Back. Okay, front, top. And then back.
Way better.
Good?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh yeah, tighten it right up. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Now we need to put some toggles in here, because that's how we roll. Hold on, hold on. Push that toggle in.
Push it in.
Push that one in. Alright. Now pull the cabinet back. Okay. Okay, let her start. Alright, push on the toggle. Beautiful. Alright, how are we looking? We lined up?
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
You serious, you joking?
I'm dead serious. It's like perfect. Can't get much more perfect. Oh, there's no space. No gap. Where do you see it?
Oh wow. Alright, back.
video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.